Daraz Skincare Finds Part 1. Facial Kit for Summer in very reasonable price. This is a full facial stack from the brand name 𝓍𝓸𝓾𝓻 which I got for under Rs1500. This is brightening face shiner for glowing skin. I was just looking forward to have such product that can be used as a normal face shiner and after facial use as well. It's lovely and appealing to my skin. I tried this product with ice scrub and clay mask of same brand and the results are marvelous, no hard feel on skin and absorbed well. So far yes, can say it's an effective product. Must try. This is their mild ice cleanser for soft brightening skin. It's really refreshing and found good product for summer. Believe me, it is a must-try item. On a single use, felt like a big change on my face. Skin feels soft and glowy after using this cleanser, really recommend. And this is their Ice Whitening Face Exfoliating Scrub for skin lightening. I have sensitive and acne-prone skin, can't use scrub more than once a week. It is very mild and gentle on the face and it also minimizes the pores. It has refreshing scent. It's not irritating on skin even I used it 3 times a week. This scrub leaves the skin looking brighter and really smooth. This is Ice Whitening Clay Mask. This mask deeply cleans the pores, remove impurities and brighten dull skin tone. I am in love with this ice mask. The price is excellent as compared to its purpose. I love the way these products makes my skin soft, healthy looking and glowing. These products will be in my beauty shelf permanently. I'm very pleased with this purchase, over all good products and worth buying. Highly recommended from my side.